So over here, you can see that I got ribbons right here, and they have certain buttons and certain options. If you want to go around and customize the options that you see in this ribbon, then you can click on the three dot button over here and then choose customize. Once you do that, you can go around and see that there's many different options that are not enabled yet. Like there's undo that is not enabled, there's move to that's not enabled. So let me just go around and enable all of it right here, just like this. So I can go around and enable all of this right here and press save, and you can see that all of them are enabled right here. You can go around over here on to customize, and similarly on the view as well, you get the same option. If I were to go around onto home right here onto three dot button and customize, you can also reset it out so that it goes back to the default state right here. You can go around onto customize option right here, and you can see that you can go around and see that this is the group on your ribbon right here. So there's move and delete right here, there's respond section right here, which is divided by sections over here as well. So you can also go around and show the labels right here just like this, or you can go around and hide the labels as well. So let's just go around, hide the labels, and there are no labels as you can see, so you only see the icons. If I were to reset, then it'll simply go around and reset out everything right here. On the top, you can see that these are the groups right here, but you can go around and move them here and there as you can see right here, and they are all rearranged accordingly right here. You can also go around and delete out certain groups right here just like this. So you can go around and delete out groups and then bring in some of the options as you like as well. So you can see that it is very customizable right here just like this. But I'm just going to go around, reset it, press save, and you can still access more options from over here by clicking on the three dot button. So that is how you can customize ribbon inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.